In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your four-wheel drive switch. It's located right behind this cover. So let's get started. This will apply to the 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250. So let's get started. I'm going to take a trim tool. Usually I like to go with plastic, but this cover is pretty tight in here, so a metal one is kind of necessary, at least in my case, just because this will not want to pop out very easily. Okay, there we go. Now that you have this out, you can see that it's held on with two Phillips head screws on the back. But first, I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. There's some extra wiring here that if you have buttons, well, it's going to be connected to something. For me, it's not, because there isn't anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a Phillips head screwdriver, get these two out. Before I do that, though, I'm just going to go ahead and pull the knob right off. Okay. There it is. Take your new switch, line it up with the two mounting holes, get the Phillips head screws, and start them in. Okay. Plug it in. Line it back up, press it into place. And now you can go ahead and put your knob back on. And of course, you'd want to test it to make sure it works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.